3 best crypto margin trading platforms in the USA. Finding the best crypto margin trading platform in the USA sounds simple until you realize one thing most people miss. In the US, true spot crypto margin is far more limited than many traders expect, and a lot of leveraged crypto exposure now happens through regulated futures or perpetual style futures instead. That changes the whole comparison before the first trade even happens. And that is the loop to keep in mind until the end. The best platform here is not just the one with the biggest leverage headline, it is the one that still makes sense after you check real US. Availability, actual product structure, and how the platform feels once trading gets serious. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. What actually makes a platform worth it? For a broad US audience, the smartest filter is regulated access, practical usability, and long-term fit. A platform should not only offer leverage in some form, it should also make that leverage understandable, usable, and realistic under current US rules. That matters because the wrong platform can look exciting at the start, then feel limited once you care about contract choice, trading hours, and whether the account setup is built for American users in the first place. Number 3. Kraken. Kraken takes the third spot because it is the clearest name here for traders who actually want real crypto margin trading, not just a futures substitute. Kraken says its margin tool offers up to 10 times leverage on selected assets and more than 150 margin-enabled markets, which gives it a more direct margin trading identity than most US available competitors. But here is the honest cuts, and it matters. Kraken's own support pages say US clients need to meet specific eligibility requirements, including eligible contract participant or ECP self-certification to qualify for margin trading. That keeps Kraken in the ranking, but also explains why it stays at number 3 instead of higher for a broad US audience. Number 2. Interactive brokers. Interactive brokers moves into second because it gives traders a stronger bridge between serious brokerage tools and leveraged crypto exposure inside a regulated structure. In February 2026, Interactive brokers added Coinbase derivatives, Nano Bitcoin, Nano Ether, and perpetual style futures contracts with trading available 24/7. That makes IBKR stronger the longer you look at it. If you want crypto leverage inside a platform that can also handle stocks, options, futures, and a broader trading workflow, it becomes very hard to ignore. It misses first place only because the top option feels more natural for traders who want a more crypto-native experience from the start. Number 1. Coinbase Advanced. Coinbase Advanced takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the beginning. The best crypto margin platform in the USA is not the one with the loudest marketing. It is the one that makes regulated leverage crypto trading feel the most native and accessible. Coinbase launched CFTC regulated perpetual futures for US customers in July 2025, says US. Traders can access up to 10 times intraday leverage on those newly launched crypto perpetual futures and has continued expanding its US derivatives offering through Coinbase Advanced. For a broad US audience, that is the strongest all-around mix of crypto-first design, leverage, access, and current US usability. The platform that still makes sense later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Coinbase Advanced is the strongest all-around option, Interactive Brokers is the one to watch for broader trading depth, and Kraken still makes a lot of sense if you specifically want actual crypto margin and meet the tougher US eligibility rules. The smartest move is not chasing the highest leverage number. It is choosing the platform whose product structure, regulation, and real access actually match the way you plan to trade. That is usually where the best option finally reveals itself. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.